Hi B, how you doing? Sorry I couldn't get to you the other day with the lesson. I don't know what was wrong with the audio, it just kind of wasn't coming out. So I thought I'd make you a little video here. I've got the book, grade 2, and I'm looking in the back with the scales and technique first. All right, so I've got that open here, and I'm just going to start off with those hanon studies. And I want you to think about these hanon studies as a way to strengthen the weaker fingers. All right, I'm going to pick up the camera and show you my hands, and then we'll kind of do it that way. So here we go. All right, so hanon, the first one. That one. What I want you to try and do, it's a straightforward exercise, so it gives our brain some time to think about how we want to change and manipulate the sound of what we're playing. So what I want you to do is try to play quiet with these fingers and louder with these fingers. Because if you think about it, the thumb and the pointer finger and the middle finger really are the strongest fingers. The pinky and the ring are the weakest fingers. So naturally we always play our thumb louder and our pinky quieter. So try to do the opposite with this. So playing your thumb quiet, your pinky loud. Can you hear that? I'll go down. So loud pinky, quiet thumb. It's almost like a crescendo every time you go up, and a diminuendo every time you go down. I recommend doing it slowly at first so you can have more time to control what your hands do. I'll put the camera over here and I'll do it with both hands. Get this so you can see it properly. Ooh. There you go. Now obviously we start with the right hand thumb and the left hand pinky. So one of the hands is going to be a little bit off, which is why we change the dynamics when you come back down. Can you hear my change in dynamics? Once you've done it up and down, try changing it around. Try playing. Try focusing on the left hand, because the left hand starts with the pinky. So if you think about your left hand, it'll be quiet up. It'll be loud up with the pinky, and quiet down with the thumb, which is kind of the opposite of what we did with our right hand. I hope that makes sense. So if you want to break it down simply, right hand first, starting with the thumb, play the thumb quietly, get loudest with the pinky, and then get quiet again, diminuendo back to your thumb. If you do that with both hands, obviously you're going to be doing the opposite with your pinky in the left hand. So, you'll be playing quiet going up with your thumb, and also quiet with your pinky. All right, and try doing the same thing with hanon 2. And then try playing it loud, and then loud to quiet. Or quiet to loud. But really, the whole idea of these hanon exercises is to teach you, give you a chance to develop your control over your dynamics and your phrasing with your hands. So that's the first thing I'd like you to do. And you can pause this video and spend the next 5 minutes playing through those, and then tune back in, or you can watch the whole thing and then do it in the end. Right, let's look at the scales and broken chords. Okay, so I'm going to go through a couple of in each section. So F major. F major. I know a lot of other students have some trouble with the fingers for this one. Let's take a look. F major is in the right hand, no pinky. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4. So. Backwards. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Whole thing up and down. Alright, that's your right hand. No pinky. Left hand, same fingers as a regular C major scale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Whoops. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Under. Thumb. Thumb. So when you practice your scales B, I really want you to build it up. And what I mean by that is, you know, take F major for example. Just play it one hand, one octave. A couple of times. One hand, 2 octaves. Until you feel comfortable with it. One hand, 1 octave, one hand, 2 octaves. Left hand, 1 octave. One hand, 2 octaves. Once you've got that, add the other hand, do it 1 octave. I gotta put the camera down. So the idea is that you're gradually building up to these so you don't jump in too quickly. 1 octave. Keep it at 1 octave until you feel really comfortable. Then go 2. If you make a mistake, slow it down. Really slow down so you have time to think about where your fingers go. Okay? So take that approach with all your scales, really. Right hand 1 octave, right hand 2 octaves. Left hand 1 octave, left hand 2 octaves. Both hands 1 octave, and then build it up and end with both hands 2 octaves. Okay? So you can pause me and then go ahead and